the New Orleans Pelicans dominated the Dallas Mavericks with a convincing 129-111 victory. Zion Williamson led the charge, scoring 27 points on an impressive 11 of 13 shooting, showcasing his offensive prowess. Meanwhile, Naji shined for the Mavericks, putting up 32 points against his former team, and rookie Cooper Flagg added 21 points along with 8 assists and 7 rebounds. From the start, the Pelicans established control, leading by as many as 19 points. Despite a brief surge from the Mavericks in the early stages, New Orleans quickly regained momentum, consistently attacking the paint and forcing Dallas into tough shots. The Mavericks struggled with their shooting, finishing at just 41.7%, while the Pelicans shot a stellar 57.1%. As the game progressed, Dallas couldn't maintain any rhythm. They faced turnovers and missed opportunities, allowing New Orleans to extend their lead going into halftime at 67-54. The Mavericks attempted to rally in the second half, but every time they showed signs of life, the Pelicans responded decisively, keeping their lead intact. In the end, the Mavericks couldn't muster a comeback, and the game concluded with a final score of 129-111. This loss not only impacts their standings, but also highlights the challenges they face moving forward.